HR Ajay, and go to add here, admin. Okay, so this is easy access screen, easy access for end user screen. So now use SP, tell me SPRO, right?
Yeah, SPRO.
Okay.
The T code.
Then
the
yes,
IMG
then
screen will come.
yeah, IMG. This is IMG. Click on IMG. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Still in my system, the IMG still not come. That's why I'm waiting. Yeah. Yes. And then
that
click on
part.
the SAP reference IMG. Then
Yes.
enterprise structure.
This is infrastructure. So
Yeah,
please
there
wait there.
enterprise structure.
Please wait. Please wait. So when you came to here, there are some arrows are there. These are all arrows are called nodes. This is common terms.
Okay.
And this is why like IMG activity, which is like your watch. In the watch, you have that something. This is called your watch activity. So you can click on activity only. If you click on here, the system is not going to open. So you can open on activity only, cursor on activity only, not on. And another activity, third activity, you have the documentation. For every activity, there is documentation, and there is F1 key. F1 key also can be opened. So again, can come from the IMG implementation guide. Yes, tell me. Next in enterprise structure, tell me.
Enterprise structure, then definition.
This is definition. Again, node can be opened. Okay, next.
Financial accounting.
Yeah, financial accounting. Next.
New entries in financial accounting. Define company. Define company. Yeah, define company. Define company. There is a new entry.
So before that, please new entries you can discuss here. This is activity. This is the name of the activity. So this is documentation. IMG activity documentation. So why you need to create organization? Why you need to create a group of companies? Why you need to create a company? So define company. So in this step, you can create companies. A company is an organizational unit in accordance with the in according which the represent a business organization according to the requirement of the commercial law. So commercial law or mercantile law. So this is for purpose where you can create a, establish a company or organization and where you can maintain profit and loss account under the Commercial Act. Okay. So this is a place where you can define. So everywhere you have the documentation, everywhere you have the help area. Okay. So now I am going to open the activity. So define company. So this is step number 1. I am going to open the one. So this is my activity. So there are some entries already there because this is demo system. So in the real time, we will not have any demo activities. So now it will be clean. So now I need to go for new entries. So just open a new entry. So you will get the blank screen. So in the blank format will be there for to define a company. So what I am doing here, so I am doing to open a new entries. Okay, so this is black. So let me again. So this is table view, edit buttons under the what do you call menu bar. So edit, go to selection, which systems are there. So I will explain these all systems that when it will come, it's time. So this is enter button. This is the open command bar. This is back button. This is save button. This is back button. This is exit button. This is cancel button. I don't want this. I need to go for cancel. So cancel. Again, I came to here. So these are the activities. So when I open this, when I open new define company, so this is my menu bar. This is my standard toolbar. This is title bar. This is application toolbar. Under application toolbar, I have. So this is a blank format for me. I am going to create it. So I said the company. Please write down. Company is 6-digit one. Now I'm going to create Intel. Intel company only. So that I'm going to create in IN. If the same company is there, system is not going to save. Systems will say that
Okay.
the company is there already. Intel I for India.
India.
Okay. So Intel
India.
India Limited. So
Yeah.
still you have the big name of add here. Intel India Private Limited. So if you have second name also.
Name of company 2 means we will
There
create
you
two
have
companies here.
same name. No need to worry about adding. If some companies are having elaborated big name, so that's why if you
Yeah.
maintain very big. So I take a private is extra.
No. Sir, I have a question. Here is
Ah.
2 means one company name and a name of company 2 means we can create at a time 2 companies or the same company.
It's only company name which is you can give elaborately. It is restricted for year only.
Okay.
So
Okay.
any up to here only. So it is adding
Okay.
here only. So that name only you can add elaborately. So that I added
Okay.
here private. I can add here private. Private limited. So it is giving very big up to here.
Yeah.
It is giving up to here. So it is giving some more extra. So that's why you can add PVT limited. So Intel India, but don't expect that is in second company. It is only company name is second.
Okay.
Company name is additional name. Anything else, private or a corporation, something you can add here. So same company, same names, but extra activities can be added. That I added private. So these are the name of the companies that I created. Let's us go to create a company. So it is there. It is a street name is Whitefield.
Yeah.
Okay, Whitefield is a street name and post box number 100 something whatever it may be, and the postal code number. So this is 5. What is the number? 500. I think it is Bangalore only. So go to create. Yes. So after that, add your country IN. If you open this F1 key, F4 key, so system will give this input. F4
Okay.
entries. Yes.
Yeah.
Then go to English language IN. So many languages are there here. So you just click on drag button. So we have the Arabic, have this Bulgaria something. But our Indian English and India is a name and the currency also INR. So it is first time only we are going to adding these are all feasibilities information, and you cannot go to create your country payroll. So now you have to restrict here only where you are maintaining your address. So based on the address only your taxation will be updated.
Okay.
So for example, you create an Indian company, you cannot create US payroll. If you create US address and Indian address, you cannot create Indian payroll. So separate configuration for separate countries, right? So exclusive, not separate also. Exclusive address is based on the address only. Based on this, your postal address, based on your city name, based on India. So based on the country name only, we can continue for run the payroll only. So this is a very, very important activity. Some people will start with the India, and after that they will run payroll of Middle East or UK. So that is not a way, right? So system is given India country name. So this is you can say in company Molga will be the name of the name. Country name is field name is Molga. I will explain that later. But India is India payroll, UK for UK payroll, America's for America payroll. Separate. So you can create a number of countries here. So separate configuration will be there. In the real time, for example, you have the 4 areas. You can create Indian payroll totally here. Then activity. So you can transport this for the UK payroll or US payroll. But the address has to be changed. That is called rollout program area. Rolling out. Whatever the configuration done for one area, so successfully you implemented here, then you can extend the same facility for other countries by changing the address. Okay. So now I'm going to discussing this, and prerequisite information to create a company. Now I'm going to create it. So this is save. After any entry, you need to save.
Okay.
So you want to write these all activities, otherwise you can manage. One more important activity. Don't create Intel company, same company in my system. If it is they given for you, so the access for you, so you can create a Intel. So let me explain that. So if the Shenmukha is giving that one, other company.
Hello.
So that is.
Hello.
You can create Chandan. Yes.
Sometimes I didn't get the voice, and some errors are there.
No worry. So I can ask for Shanmukha to give access.
Yeah. Today I will ask.
You can
start practice from how to create company code.
Yes. Now save it. So when you save this, the system will give you unique ID. That what I said, customization request number. So this customization request number for which I was already created for USA, Samsung, but I need to create my own only first time. So I am going to creating new. So I am going to giving here Intel India Group or Limited. Intel and go to. So what number is there here? Their number is 9005758, right?
Yeah.
So 758 is not our number. This is related to the Samsung number.
Samsung
when I save this, the new number will be generated. So now I'm saving this. Yes. System has given 900759795.
Yeah.
95.
Same
so this
one.
is for Intel. No, that is 785. This is 795.
Okay.
So not only that, you no need to remember this number. You will have this text also. So this table, this information company information will be stored in the table number T880. So that is the table names. I will explain what are the tables. Each and every activity will be stored in the respected tables only. So you need to also see that some tables remember. So that tables are very important also. But don't worry to remember all these things. You can go to create and create separate number for your company, that is Intel ID. So now I am continuing this. So from here, if you done any further activities, don't create new. Please go with the same save. Right? So you can create customer request number only once. Okay?
Hello.
Yes. You can create this company.
Yeah, in every company means in every time I have to create the customization number.
No. Only once.
No,
so
for Intel, this one.
Have been done.
Yeah. Just means
for only one ID.
I just want to create another company for HP.
HP.
Hello.
You can create separate number only one time.
Okay. No.
So I will show you
just
that.
Listen my question, sir. Hello. Hello. In case in second company, I want to open in the name of HP. So in that time also I have to create that one, means that number.
You have to create separate customized request number for that company.
HP company for separate customized number.
Separate. Only one time.
Okay.
Now I am showing that only. So now I created Intel India Limited. So I saved it and generated number is 795 number and save it. So whenever I go to create one more activity, so I can save in there only. I can save in the same number. I don't want to create one and again. So now I'm going to create a company code. Write down. Edit, copy,
Company code.
delete, company codes. Company code means what? You have the computers and chips.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to create a company codes. Company code is a product. And second activity, please select not first one. Is copying from the system. Don't take the copy from system. So edit and create. So double click on this and go to new entry again. Write down new entries.
Yeah.
Now you can go to create. So Intel C. Intel C means, yeah. Now go to create Intel computers. This is your product name. In the real time, you are giving this 100,
Yeah.
200, 300, 3000, 400, like that. 1000. So this is given.
Yeah.
So now I can go to create Bangalore.
Hello.
And create a country name is India.
IN.
And go to
INR.
INR and English. So
Yeah.
this is for creating of computers company code. So I'm going to saving. So when I save this, system will give that number. So this is detailed data. No need to go detailed data. Only give the country name, enter,
IN.
and IN, and the system
Okay.
again same number 795. So the same activities are under the same company shall be continue. Not again and again, right?
Okay.
So why I will explain. I will explain. So another activity, I am going to creating some more new entries. So I am going to creating one more Intel chips. So that is Intel 4-digit one. So now I am going to add in that Intel chips. So this is another product. So maintain Bangalore, maintain IN, maintain INR, English. So now again system saving that. So in that company code only, same company reference only. So give IN. So go to continue. So it is saved here. So this is message bar. Under the message bar, that the data was saved. So now save it. It is already saved. And go to that. What you did here, you have done only 2 activities you have did. And if you want to check this, what are the company codes, what are the unique IDs are there for customer request numbers. So I'm explaining SC09 the code. I will explain later. This is how many companies have been created under this. So I created Samsung, Honda, I created Aman, I created Super. So these are the companies.
No. For the check this, where we have to go?
I will explain that later. Let me explain this first. So first, what you have did, I created today this company, that is to 795 800 client by HR Ajay. So this is a company now created. So how many activities I did? So system will show you that. So company code and companies. So only 2 activities have been done. So this has to be migrated. This has to be transferred from development client to quality client. So this is, you can select here, select the bus. So release for directly to the another server. So these are the so you have to save the whatever the activities are doing under the Intel. So do save there only. So don't create separate customizing number. Right? Why me? You check this Samsung. So see, I have done all the activities. So this is my very big configuration which I done. Right? So same company activities can be saved under same, right? Same customized request. So that is my class today. So go to create, and you can start the practice also today. And tomorrow we will go to